Hiya, today I'm going to be showing you how to make bows using sequin ribbon. This is one I've always struggled with because sequin ribbon is quite thick. So for example, say you were making like just a regular pinch bow like this, and you pop your pinch in there like that, and as you can see it's just so thick and bulky in that middle. So this bow style I've found is ideal for a sequin ribbon. This one is a 3-inch wide ribbon or 75mm wide. I'll just show you that on my tape measure. So it's a 3-inch wide or 75mm, and I've cut this to 52 centimeters in length, or just 20.5 inches. And I've also cut this piece the same. This is also 20.5 inches or 52 centimeters, the pink as well. So that's what I'm going to use on the back side, because the back side of this, although it's white, it's just not a very nice finish. So I'm going to line it with this nice pink ribbon. So first of all, I'm going to put these two together. I'm just going to use a lighter and just heat seal these ends, and as I'm doing it I'm just going to pinch them just to melt and seal them together to hold them into place. It does help if you cut it straight. I haven't cut this very straight, but that should be fine for this bow. And the same with the opposite side. I'm just going to trim this down straight so it lines up. Like that. And then we're going to do the same with this end, just bond them together. Just to hold them in place while we're working with our bow. Like that. Now we're going to fold this in half, and we're just going to mark the centre. Like that. So we've marked our centre here. Now, taking one side, we're going to twist it. So we're going to bring it down, and then we're going to twist it once, twice, and then we're going to line this up with this crease here and tuck it underneath. So once you've got that in place, I'm going to grab a needle. I'm just going to pop a needle in there to hold that in place. So where that halfway mark is, pop that in there to hold that in place like that. And then we're going to do the same with this side, but we're going to bring it to this side. So again, bring this side down to where the centre line is, twist once, twice, and making sure that they're still in line, I'm going to tuck that underneath. Grab another pin, in my case a needle, just pop that in there like that. So this is what you've got now. And now we're going to sew all the way across this centre. So I've got a needle and I've doubled up some extra strength thread. Excuse me. And I'm going to start sewing by going, always go in when you start sewing your pinch. So we're going to go in through this corner. And continue all the way across. And I'm just going to come out, catching this corner here, and coming up through that centre, like that. I'm going to remove that first pin, and then continue across the same. And then on this one I'm going to come out through this corner, catching this corner here. And then I can remove this pin. All the way across that edge. And when you get to this end, we're ready to pull this tight to form our pinch. And as you can see your bow starting to take shape. Once you're happy with that shape, I'm going to wind this around a few times. And then we're just going to seal this off on the underside. And just knock that off. 1, 2. I'm just going to do that once more to make sure. And this is the shape you end up with. It's a really pretty shape, and like I say, because this fabric is so thick, that's kind of ended up like single layered rather than this overlaying on top of this and having that double chunkiness. That just lays flatter and nicer this way. So this is a perfect bow style for this thicker sequined ribbon. Now I'm going to stick this on a clip. I'm using a 75mm, I think this is it 75 or 70? Yeah, 75mm clip, or a 3-inch clip. just going to take a hot glue gun. I've already lined this clip in matching ribbon because I do like to line my clips, but that's completely optional. You don't have to line your clip. So stick that under there like that. So for the centre of my bow, I've just cut a strip about 1.5 centimetres wide, and I've cut that from my 3-inch wide ribbon. And I'm just going to put a bit of glue on one end. And I'm going to start from the top so I can see where that centre is. And I'm going to start wrapping that around the bow. Put some glue here and there as we go round. And then I'm just going to cut off this excess. And there you have your finished bow using 3-inch wide glitter ribbon and 3-inch wide pink ribbon. And like I said, that's a really good bow to make this style with the chunky glitter. Now while I'm at it, I'm just going to show you with a 2-inch wide ribbon. This is a sequin swipe, what do you call this? Swipey ribbon? I don't know, I can't remember what you call this ribbon now. I'm going to show you the same bow using 2-inch wide. Now I've got 2 pieces. So that's 5 centimetres, 2 inches, and I've cut these 2 pieces to 17 inches in length, or 44 centimetres in length, for 2 pieces. And we're going to do exactly the same. this one here is the 2-inch ribbon and this one is the 3-inch wide ribbon. The 2-inch wide ribbon makes a 5.5-inch wide bow, or 14 centimeters, and the 3-inch wide ribbon makes almost, not quite, around 6.5, say 6.5 to 7-inch wide bow, or around 17 centimeters. So that's the size difference using the 2-inch compared to the 3-inch wide. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial today, and this will help you now in wanting to use more of this sequin ribbon, now that we've got a nice easy bow to make with it, and it's not too bulky in the middle because you've not double layered that up. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial today. If you've got any questions, pop them into the comments below and I'll do my best to get back to you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.